Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Foodie Pinoy. Today, we're going to cook a tomato-based Filipino dish, pork afritada. For this recipe, we're going to use pork belly. Here are the ingredients. 700 grams pork belly, 1 large onion, 6 cloves garlic, 1 can of tomato sauce, 1 large bell pepper, seeds removed and sliced, 3 pieces of carrots, peeled the skin and cut, 4 small potatoes, peel the skin and cut, 2 pieces bay leaves, 2 tablespoons fish sauce, 1 teaspoon pepper, and 1 cup of green peas. First, cut the pork belly into cubes about 1 inch size. After doing this, let's head to the kitchen to start cooking. Put some oil in the pan, then saute the garlic and onion. Add the pork belly and cook for 4 to 5 minutes each side in medium to high heat. Pour in the tomato sauce and add around 300 ml of water. Add in the bay leaves. Cover and simmer in low to medium heat for 30 to 40 minutes until the pork is tender. After 30 minutes, a lot of oil from the pork belly was released from the prolonged simmering. You may want to scoop out some of the oil in the surface. It's difficult to do, but definitely doable. Add the potato and simmer again for another 10 minutes. I did not add the carrots now because I don't want them to overcook and I want the carrots to still have a bite into it. After 10 minutes, add the carrots, bell pepper, and green peas and cook for another 5 minutes. Season with fish sauce, pepper, and a bit of sugar. Give it a taste to check if it needs more seasoning. Simmer for another 2 minutes and it's done! Here's our pork afritada recipe. Partner with warm rice and serve at lunch or dinner. Enjoy! Hi guys! Did you like this recipe? Let us know in the comment section below. Hit like if you enjoyed this video. This will help us know that you are enjoying our content. If you haven't subscribed yet, click subscribe button and make sure to click also the bell icon so you'll get notified once we release new videos. Until next time, this is Foodie Pinoy saying goodbye and it's a wrap!